Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the SQL injection and how you can find the SQL injection by using the most popular tool, that is SQL map in Kali Linux. So first of all, let's understand what is SQL injection. SQL injection, it is a type of a cyber attack where hacker inject the SQL injection code in the input field like search box or a login form. So after that we will understand what is SQL map. SQL map, it is an automation tool in a Kali Linux that helps to find the SQL injection of any website. As you can see on the screen, I am in my Kali Linux, and before starting the video would like to say something that without permission you can't test any kind of a website in the SQL injection. So you should first of all have the permission with that owner that you are performing SQL injection. As you can see on the screen, I'm in my Kali Linux, so this is the demo website. In this website you can test. So let's go. First of all, you have to find the parameter for testing the SQL injection. So I will find some kind of a parameter. As you can see on the URL, there is nothing parameter. So I'm clicking on the browse artist. At there I can see some kind of parameter. Let's click on it. As you can see on the URL, there is some kind of parameter like artist equals to 1. We will can take this for the testing. So we will be taking this parameter. So I have come to my terminal and I have given the root permission sudo SQL map, and under and you I have given the URL. I have pasted the URL. Then I have written the batch. Batch means simply means that it will not going to ask you any kind of a permission. And now we will underscore then DBS. It will simply find that the DB database of that website. So now hit enter. So it will take quite a bit of a time. It's depend on internet. As you can see on the screen, it has successfully fetched the database name. See, there's a two database successfully has been fetched from this website. So this is actually already a vulnerable website. So this is for the practice purpose, it is for the learning purpose. So it's made more easy to find the database. If there's an actual website, it can take more time as well. So after finding the database, now we will going to find the table of that website. After finding that, this is a step-by-step process. Without database you can't find the table. So now we're going to find the table. So we will write the same command. Now we will use the capital D, and then we paste at the database name. We paste the accord and then the tables. Then hit enter. As you can see on the screen, it has been successfully find that table also. See, there are total 8 rows in the table. The database of accord, it has successfully find the 8 tables. So hope you have understood this video. If you find like more option is there